Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much for coming to our tea and cake afternoon here at Halley Primary School. And we are going to just be talking about an initiative that is being launched from the school today. It's a 100 school sponsorship to receive the Start B handwriting kit for reception. It is a first steps kit which you could be able to use in your early years department, and it should deliver to up to 90 to 120 children per department. So this is what we're looking for. Halley Primary School is the hub school for this initiative, so there will be 10 to 11 schools that will all fall under Halley Primary, and they can get advice from Halley. So what I'd like to do is I'd just like to introduce you to the head teacher of Halley Primary School. This is Wendy Otterburn Hall. Thank you very much, Wendy. Thank you for joining us here today. Now, you are going to be the hub school for the Greater London area for the Start B sponsorship. So we are sponsoring 100 primary schools, reception departments, and your school will be the hub school for the Greater London area. So any schools that are interested in the sponsorship, Come and visit you. Come and visit Halley Primary. Yep. Come and spend a morning watching Start B in early years, Key Stage 1, and speaking with yourself and the team, so that you're going to be supporting it and guiding them through the process. Yeah. So any of them, if they want to get in touch, they can either get in touch directly with us, or we highly recommend that they get in touch via ypo.co.uk/start-B. So please do that. Get in touch with YPO, put your names down, and then we'll arrange for you to come through and visit Halley Primary and meet the team and come and see Start B being used and just see how much the children absolutely love it. Please do. Thank you for that. I'd love to introduce Sharon, if she doesn't mind, as she's the literacy lead here at Halley. And I'd just like to ask you, Sharon, she's not keen on being filmed today. So the schools that you are going to be recommending the sponsorship to, so any schools out there in this borough, in the Greater London area, would they be coming to see you and your team to watch you deliver Start B in Key Stage 1 and in early years? Is that what they would be doing? Yeah. Okay. So then you'd be the first point of call, or would it be Wendy that they would be? They just book an appointment at the reception or through ourselves and then speak with you. Okay. Thank you so much, Aaron. Thank you very much. I would just like to introduce the YPO team. Hello there. Hello. So can you tell me who you are?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm Zoe Kirkby and I'm an area sales manager at YPO. I look after North London, West London, some parts of East London, and out to Berkshire and Hampshire.
And you are?
And I'm Chris Cordy-Allen, and same job as Zoe, and I cover basically the east of England, so Suffolk, Norfolk, Essex, North East London, Lincolnshire, North Lincolnshire and North East Lincolnshire.
Now, Start B is exclusively available via YPO, so the best place for any schools to get more information about Start B is from yourselves, from any of the YPO sales team, or go to ypo.co.uk/start-B. We'll put those words on the bottom of this screen because that's quite a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? But you are supporting all of the Start B, all the resources, even the handwriting Matchfit assessment e-learning training is available exclusively from YPO. So any school that or teacher that wants to learn how to assess handwriting, YPO is the team to come to. Absolutely.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Absolutely. So everything that you see here, all of the Start B products, so the First Steps Plus kit. First Steps is what you would start out with in reception, and then you would go to First Steps Plus. We have a booster kit for your SEN teams and your breakaway handwriting groups. And here at Halley, they have a large Start B handwriting station. But what we'll do is we'll just get John to segue to show you what a medium handwriting station looks for. Most of our SEN schools use a medium station because that's got 15 of everything, 15 light boxes and 15 of all the resources in, and the large station that Hallie has got 30 of everything. But the sponsorship is going to be the first steps kit. So those 100 schools that are going to be sponsored by Startby would be getting that for their reception department and working with the hub school in their local county or their local area so that they can deliver that over the year. We're including the Startby Sassoon font download with each sponsorship, which is the value of more than £300 is included in that. We are including the handwriting match fit assessment training, and we're including the resources and all other training to be able to use Startby in early years, Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2. We also have some SEN schools using Startby, and Hannah Jane has just filmed what I call the SATS Busters program. It's a top-up. You don't need light boxes. You just need a twist and write pencil, some Startby handwriting paper, get a couple of reams in, and that will get your children absolutely sorted for SATs, because if it ain't legible, if it ain't fluent, they're going to struggle to market. But our SEN schools are using that as well. So it's available for everything. Everything is there. Give us a shout. We'll give you free access to the platform so that you can work your way around it. Go and see schools that are using Startby. Speak to the YPO team. They're all out there. They have the brochures. Get in touch with them. They are awesome. These guys know their stuff. Okay, that is the only reason why we are exclusively available via YPO. They are the best. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for joining us. And if there are any questions in the comments section below, send us those questions and we will endeavour to answer all of them as best we can. Thank you very much and goodbye.